This customer may never need another roof on their home. Can you say the same about yours? I met this homeowner at the Collin County Home and Garden Show. He came up looking at our stone-coated steel samples, but he saw our F-Wave sample and he was sold once he saw that. F-Wave is a great product. Not only is it Class 4 impact resistant, it self-heals in the sunlight after the hail impacts it, and it also withstands up to 130 mile-an-hour winds. F-Wave's hail resistance and ability to self-heal comes from the 100% virgin TPO that it's made from. And the wind resistance comes from their new patented XTEM interlocking system. If you're interested in this innovative cutting-edge technology on your home, give me a call at 817-404-9686.